Ready? Alright. Okay, Jay and Steve, this is your instructional video for working at Fort Hills by yourself on your motors. So you'll be able to show this to your boys. Same motors you guys are using, it's just a little more banged up. All the controls are on this side, including the plug-in for the remote. Just for today though, I'm not putting the remote in, but there's this little slot in there. You can see it's right at the top of this one that lets the remote line up with the rest of the controls. So everything's on this side as far as up and down. I've already got it plugged in. And most of the operation I'm going to show you is on the other side, but this is just what I'm touching. Emergency stop, up, down, remote. It's all here. Just come on back here. First we're going to show you how to feed the cable in. Remember I told you to have the motor mounted. So you guys are going to have this in the brackets. And right there, it has to be locked so you guys can pull the spring open. Okay? Right where it says do not step or the back of the can, you can pull on it and you can open the motor up. Well, all we got to do is throw this cable in the guide and push the guide back so it's upright. Sorry, Steve. You'll push this down and you'll see the cable come around here. See the bullet? Right there? There we go. Well, it's coming and it'll stop at that flywheel. Now to get it past that flywheel, we have to open the motor and push the up button at the same time. If you push the up button and don't open the motor, it just stays there. So if I open it up, put the feet under, and go through. So we just do that till we get tension. Got Blake cooking the video. And now we have tension on the motor. So now you guys get to check all the features, the functions. So all I'm going to do is push up and down the emergency stop over here. So we push up, and these are the checks you guys have to do. Push up, push down, push the emergency stop and make sure it kills the power. While you guys are doing that, when you have your remotes hooked up, you also push up and down an emergency stop on the remote. Then we pick it up, so your stage is going to be holding weight at this point. There's an emergency drop handle at the back. If you guys lose power, I'm gonna come around the other side and show them that. If you guys lose power, you're going to pick up on this lever and it's going to drop the weight. So Steve will have to kind of pan out, but it'll let you down without power. That gets you down using gravity. I just got to keep picking this weight up because this is like our load tester. It's making sure everything's working. Now back here, I don't know if Steve can get this. There's a black button. Can you see it?
No, not for
Okay, we'll come around this way. It's tight. There's a black button right here. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna show the brake here.
Getting all the angles.
Yeah. Sorry for making you dizzy, guys. But I'm gonna push this black button, and the black button just tests the brake. So I test the brake. I push the down button. You'll notice the cable's not moving. You're not going anywhere, you're locked. I can go up, but I cannot go down. The brake is on. Right now, if I want to reset this brake, I cannot do it. All right? To reset that brake, you need power. You have to go up. Did you see it move there? The brake is on. If I go up, the brake comes off. I can reset, and then I can go down. See the cable's going down? Last thing, second last thing. Once all that's done, you can feed your secondary line. This is your backup cable. This goes through the top and then through this guide at the bottom and straight down. And just pull it tight so you have everything nice and tight. To check to see if this is working, when the guide is fully locked out, this moves. When you take tension off the line, I'm going to do that by landing the stage. And there's slack on the main line. You cannot pull this through. So you just need slack on that line. Once there's tension on the line, should be fine.